Hello, in this video I'm going to show you best camera application for any Android. Simply open the Play Store, install this open camera application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Allow all the permissions. Now let's take the one photo. As you can see, I have taken this photo from open camera. Now let's take the photo from the original camera. Now let's compare both images. This one is my original camera photo, which is okay, and this one open camera photo, colors are vibrant and it is looking good. Here you get some more options in open camera. For example, if you go in settings, here you get timer, repeat, and camera API. Here you get face detection tool also, and from here you can open the flashlight. Here you can select your photo mode, for example HDR, tap on OK, or any other. Here you get camera resolution, and here you get timer, repeat, and grid. So this is the best camera for any Android. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.